Rockler is a family-owned business. It's been in business since 1954, and we started opening retail stores somewhere around, I think, 1978. There's 37 stores nationwide, and we're very fortunate to have one right here in Missouri, and this is it. As a woodworker, you're very excited to come in and be able to find everything you need for woodworking. When you come in, you can expect to get your questions about woodworking answered with knowledgeable, expert advice.
I've only been a member of the Woodworkers Guild for about 2 years, but what I do is I do CNC. And I joined the Woodworkers Guild so that I could see what other people are doing, and so I wanted to get more involved with what the CNCers are doing. I wanted to see their projects. I wanted to show them mine. I wanted to look at finishing techniques, all of that, so that I could figure out how to do what I'm doing better.
We're all beginners at some point. Nobody's born a woodworker. So to your point, when they come in and they're a beginner, we make sure that we're speaking at their level, and we can do that. And if it's professional, we can speak at that level. Our guys are very skilled at making sure that people understand, and we ask questions, and we develop a relationship with our customers and make sure that they're getting the information they need.
It's really a great community resource. It's dedicated to doing what it can in the community to make it a better place for all of us.
Find us at www.rockler.com. Our physical location is in Bridgeton, Missouri at 11977 St. Charles Rock Road. We're open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday 9 to 7, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sunday 11 to 4.